Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into the Pacific Northwest Fishing Channel. We're out here in Newport and we are going to be doing some surf perch fishing. And today is a minus tide, so we're going to see if we can get some razor clams for surf perch bait along with the shrimp. Let's see which one bites better out here. Hopefully we get something. Let's do it. I got my friend Lee out here. Of course, my father's out here as well. He's gonna be fishing while we're foraging for clams and mussels and gooseneck barnacles. Did you get one?
I got one, but I lost one due to the tide coming in. I had my hand right on it. That's why I'm soaked. I had my hand right on it. I was like, I was just trying to do the...
So it's right on the breaker here? Yeah. Let's do it. Let's get some.
Yeah, I got it. Normally I look at an angle.
Did you see the mound? What'd you see?
Well, when you look straight, like over here is kind of different than sea view. Sea view, at least you see the hole. But this one is very subtle. Like, see this one right here.
Show me.
Kind of subtle.
Right there?
Yeah. We'll see.
See it? Can you give it a shot?
We'll see.
You want me to get in there and dig?
No.
I'll dig the next hole.
Oh.
You feel it? This sand is a lot harder than we're used to in the north side. You guys saw all my other clamming videos. The clam gun just dug right into the sand with ease. The sand is like packed harder.
See, with the PVC sand gun, it's like a little bit more difficult.
Yep, definitely.
There's a lot of...
You gotta work a lot harder.
Yeah. May not be it.
I know it. That's what you call an invisible clam, guys. Let's walk that way, since we're heading that way anyways. If we get at least like two clams each, I'll be happy.
I got one.
Good. That's enough to fish for a day. Where? Where are you seeing that? Really? Yeah. All right, Lee. I didn't even see it. Lee's a clam expert.
Yeah, I want to be. Oh, that'd be fucking...
Help Lee get 1 million views by liking and sharing.
Hopefully he's still down there. Oh yeah, I felt it.
You felt it? Let's get him. Let's get him. There's a lot of hard work with this clam gun, guys. Not easy. You got it? Show them. Oh, that's a big one too. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go.
That's it for the day.
All right, let's get some more. I'll pump the next one. Let's go find him. Put it in your bag. Yeah, it's a good idea. Let's go.
I didn't have to get my arm dirty.
Nice. Good job.
Gotta keep all of them.
Good job. Yep, we got to keep them all, but it's okay. We're not eating them. It's for bait. Found a big hole. Lee, show them that nice hole, the clam hole. It's nice. Okay, let's see if we can get something here.
Let's see what comes out of it.
Wow, this is a hard one to dig though.
Oh, did you hear it? I thought I heard a crunch.
We're really supposed to like do it like
yeah,
this
you're
angle.
supposed to face
Supposed to face like this,
You're supposed to face the water.
and then at this angle like this. This sand is really hard. Oh my gosh. Oh god, I felt a crunch.
You might want to stick your hand in there.
Oh, here you probably need like shovels to make it easier. The sand is so hard. Oh, here it is, guys. I crushed the crap out of it. But it's okay though, we're gonna use this for surf perch bait.
There you go.
So that's perfectly fine. All right, let's see if we can get the other hole.
Where's the other hole? Over here. So this is what you're looking for, right?
Yeah. Let's see. We're going to try to go to angle and face towards the ocean.
I think you're gonna get one in there. I know there's one in there. That's a good, perfect hole. It's in there.
Wow, I got in deep this time.
Might be a big one. Oh, there it is.
There it is. Right there, guys. We actually did it without smashing it. Unbelievable.
Clean.
Nice and clean. That's a perfect one. Woo! Boom! All right.
Fish on! Fish on! That's a big one too. Big one too. Fish on, first of the day. Fish on. Yeah, all my bait's gone.